The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Thursday, February 16th. A few folks are here on trial. Good morning and welcome back to day 4. Tomorrow will be your last day in the room. Guys, I'll do what I do every single day. There's the 8 o'clock bell, which is good morning, Hubba. Go over bots. I shut these things off at 7 a.m. this morning. We talked about that yesterday in the room. I said I may run them for the first hour, but we've been pretty quiet overnight and through Europe, as well as this morning. ES would not have taken a trade regardless. Crude is currently in a trade and has been in a trade since 6:42, so over an hour. It's neither gone to stop or target, but that is in a trade. NASDAQ, I don't think took a trade. It did not. There would have been no trades anyways on NASDAQ ahead of this CPI data. Same for the YM. No trades taken on the YM. And gold would have just taken a trade, 752. I don't have that trade. My bots are off. So the only trade that's transpired today is crude. So win or lose, crude will have either a target or a stop, probably on the news. We do have PPI this morning, as well as continuing and initial jobless claims. I do think today is a day where you can do a burn one to earn one, if you guys are prepared for that and set up for that. Let me get to the disclaimer, and I'll go through charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. The bot is trying to break up. Got to get above the whole number. Gold. This is a 60-minute chart on gold. That is a bear flag. Doesn't mean we can't flag back up to 56, but on the hourly, we're getting pretty close to rolling over. Maybe today. But we really need to break below 43.6 on gold. And this is my target, 27.2. Anybody have any questions, guys? Oh, all righty. We have a target. Target filled on crude. This is the only bot trade for me of the day. So crude made some dough. See if we can get above that 79. If we get above 05.6 and can hold that, we're going to get that second target. Be right back, guys. Volume is, yeah, I saw that, but today is the first day. Let me just look. $25,000 in March. What's the volume in April? Yeah, I'll stay with March today. I'll roll overnight. Yeah, well, I mean, it's not, I'll roll it tonight. If you guys want to trade April, go ahead and trade April, but I'll stay with March through today. Here, I'm going to leave this up. I'll be right back, guys. Just going to get caught. All right, guys. Crude pulled back into the trailing stop and out. I've turned that bot off. All my bots are off, guys. Not running any bots. One of the things that I'm finding, and this is especially true when Apex runs an 80% off sale. So guys are, buying combine accounts for $30. People are not following the plan. So what happens is we have very strict guidelines to get funded, right? And it's a slow and methodical process, right? And some of the traders are looking at that $30 account and they don't care if they burn it. Meaning, we know we have a max draw, $750 a day, right? Max draw. But many people, I mean, listen, my goal is to have 100% success. My goal, I don't care about Apex. I care about you. My goal is to have 100% success rate, and I know we can do it. The problem is many people say, well, I took a couple losing trades. I'm down 700. And they start doing stupid stuff. 8 contract trades, 10 contract trades, 9 contract trades. Screw it. I lost $30. I don't care. But the problem is, let me tell you where that is going to kill you. It'll kill you when you get to a funded account because you haven't changed your mindset. Guys are still looking at that. They're still looking and saying, well, so I lost $30. Right. Well, everybody's done that. I've done it too, but everybody has done that. And they say, well, screw it. Right? Trading is a grind, day in, day out, make your money and get done, or lose some money and be done. So again, I know I have guys, because guys send me the emails. When somebody sends me an email and says, I lost 1,900 today, right? I'm just being hypothetical. I know that you're not following the plan. Now, ultimately, your success as a trader is in changing those habits. It's no different if somebody says, I want to lose fat. I want to lose weight. I want to lose weight. And, morning they have 2 eggs, mid-morning snack, maybe a little oatmeal, chicken breast and vegetables for lunch, or tuna fish like I eat, chicken breast for dinner with some vegetables. And then at 8 o'clock, they eat a pint of ice cream. You're not changing anything. Your bad habits are still controlling you. It's the same thing. So I want to go over this with guys, because if you want to be, everything in life is habits. You can discipline yourself in any aspect of life if you want it. Now, some guy, listen, I've been doing this a long time. I've been trading a long time. And trading tends to have, all traders, if I took all traders, right, I'm talking all traders, I can tell you that there are a vast many that have a common personality trait. And that personality trait is gambler. You could put them in a casino and they would do the same thing. People have been conditioned over the years, right, to action because something's always moving. So they're attracted to pushing the button. They're attracted to, I can make a lot of money today. Instead of being disciplined in saying, I'm going to make $200 a day, which if you look at $200 seems nothing. But if you extrapolate that out over a week, it's $1,000 a week and it's $52,000 a year. That is above the median income in the United States. $200 lousy dollars a day. If you can make $300 a day, Just over a minute, guys. $300 a day. It's 75 grand a year. $400 a day is 100,000 a year. But we got guys that are trying to make 3,000 a day. So we're going to go over, and then I'm going to go over bot stuff on Saturday. So attend if you want, don't attend. I'm not going to record it and put it in the member area. It's, you know. All right, guys, if you're going to do the burn one to earn one, here you go. Get ready. Now, place one long, one short on the ES now. Shorts got it. Shorts one. Shorts one. 3/10 higher than expected. Bye. Bye. Jeez. Everything is a massive misses everywhere. Jobless claims, miss. All right, PPI. Big miss month over month. Big miss. Year over year, big miss. Markets are done. Over. Goodbye. Housing starts have slowed down, but that's common for this time of year. Building permits as well. It's February. Everything's a miss, fellas. All right. Who funded accounts? Shorts got it, guys. Yep. Okay. So hang on 1 second. Only one today? All right, guys, hang on 1 second here. So Andrew got one. Doug got one. Guys, by the way, invoices are due. I've sent them out. Please get those in today. I'll be canceling. Chad got two. Arjan two. JC got one. Okay, I don't need to put one. Anybody else? Okay. There you have it, guys. There you have it. All right, guys. We're going to see yesterday's low, I suspect. Boy, Mendegas, nice job, man. Another trial gets a funded account. Another trial. Or he's a trial. It's his. He's funded 3 this week. I think I spelled that right. M-I-D-A-U. Got the U in the wrong place. There you go. That's your 3rd this week. There you go. I got to be honest with you, Mendegas. If you're not a member with me on Monday, phew, hope you enjoyed your time here. Good luck. Have you trialed any place else or been a member any place else? I'm just curious. Guys, I haven't turned bots back on yet. You will be hard pressed to find what we do here. Hard pressed. All right. Wouldn't have happened in any other room. I know that. I know that. All right, fellas. Let's see what we're going to do here. Let me just get some charts set up or adjusted because they're all off the screen now. Gold has to come down. Gold almost spiked down to my 27 level. Crude is going to come down. All right. We get back above 33 on the NASDAQ. It may give us a small trade. Listen, we are shorts, guys. That I can tell you. And hourlies are going to take us down to 593. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to trade micros. Damn it. I'm way late, but I'm going to trade micros. I put 4 micros on because I think we're going to break lower into 565, 584, and then 565. So I have 4 micros on. I'm not going to trade minis down here because we could get a fairly significant bounce. Yeah. I mean, that's, you can't, so don't count those in totals if you send me a spreadsheet today. Do not count those totals. All right, guys, my target 1, I'll take 2 off at 86. $87. All right, I'll turn some bots on now. Let me take a look at crude. Trying to get 87 for target 1, fellas. If you guys are, risk averse and want to take some risk off here, take it off. I mean, what did they expect from PPI? CPI was a big miss. You know that. Come on, seriously. All right, 2 off. Target hit, 2 off. Final target for me is going to be 525, yesterday's low. This could take all day to get there, but we could bounce here. Don't know why gold is going up. Bond yields are rising. Gold is going to reverse. Let me see where it may. Let me go back to us. Anybody short NASDAQ, guys? Anybody short? Yeah, MNQ. We've got to break below 84. ES is holding support ES, let me show you on another chart. It's easier to see, I think. We're pulling back inside this bull flag. So I want to take one off on the NASDAQ now at 565. So let's make that about 568. NASDAQ's holding some pivots, hourlies, which it has to break below. Come on, give me a new low. Next 15-minute bar is in 3.5 minutes, which is when we'll probably break down. Got to break below 84, which is that pivot, S1. ES is holding 22.21. It isn't going to hold, Mark. It's not going to hold. I'm trading this to support, next support level at 65. 65 is my next target. Next 15-minute bar in 2.5 minutes. If you guys want your money, feel free to take it. There's another sell zone on a pullback between 93 and 02. Right here is resistance up to 02. So I'm going to kill this trade. All right, 4 micros for 170 bucks. We're into resistance here. Guys, give me 1 minute. Just going to get caught. Yeah, they're great for after the fact analysis. I can Monday morning quarterback too. No trades on any of the indices. They're well into shorts. Here's some hourly support at 40. The only place you may want to try a long is 525. All right, both targets sit on gold. Gold up 990. Gold is up 990. One trade. Boom. The only place that you may try shorts, I mean longs, in my opinion. I mean, look, we're cutting through like a knife through butter every damn level. 240, 60, 240. I think we're coming down here to 445. We're going through every single area. I got nothing. We're kind of holding that 40 area. I don't have the guts to try. We're coming 510 anyways. That's the only place I would try along, and it would be with micros. Damn. That's newsworthy. At what price? 41.15. Look at this. Look at the seller on the ES at 41.15. Thank you, Frank. 3,200 contracts were sold. One person sold 560 contracts. That is not a retail guy. Somebody sold 100 up here. I mean, that's as big as that's big. And it's pre-market. That's big. Big. Now, that could be somebody selling along from a while ago. I have no way of knowing. That could be initiating a new short. My opinion, this is a failed breakout. They'll bounce this, guys. They will bounce this. All right, ES is holding 534 as a bottom. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. We haven't gotten a bounce trade yet, but we are. Gold is turning up. Take a look at gold, see where it stopped. Yeah, on the hourly, gold is going to close at 9 o'clock below the bottom of the bear flag. Unless in the next 9 minutes this somehow crawls back above 46. I do not like the long on gold if it should go long. I do not like the long on the bot if it should go long. If you guys want to take it, take it. I mean, it's an automated trade. But I'm not really looking for longs on gold. Let me adjust hourlies before I go to breakfast. Nothing to adjust really. If it pulls back to 45, I'd hit that short. Target on gold, guys, swing position 27.3. It's only 13 bucks from here. But this is what we've broken down. We're going to close below on the bear flag. Yeah. I mean, who knows, Mark? I'm not convinced this is the bottom, but maybe. You know they're going to try to trap the shorts and scare the shite out of the shorts. Gold did not go long. Going to get you guys can sell gold if you like gold. Stop is big. It's 44. It's $500 on a contract. I mean, the candles are so big. I can't do anything better than that. Okay, Mark. $41. I ain't going to get that. Okay. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate that. $4,100 to $4,105. Yes, Arjan. That's exactly what I have. The key, in my opinion, on the ES is right here, maybe 96 even. We've definitely pulled back into this bull flag. I mean, I think this is a failed breakout now. That's my opinion. I think the market is screwed. We could trade all the way back down today to 40.54. We have some levels along the way, but I see nothing positive here. I didn't yesterday. That's why that whole up move yesterday was so, or 2 days ago with PPI was so ridiculous, or CPI was so ridiculous. What is there to buy? I mean, they're telling you, the Fed has been saying all along they're raising freaking rates. Well, the ES spot had a nice sell, but that was before, that was at the news. 834. I may not have had my bots on yet. Yeah. Well, it had one here right at the news, which I would definitely not get. And I may not have turned my bot on yet for that. I don't think is the NASDAQ. I don't even know if the NASDAQ would have taken a trade yet. I'm hard pressed to believe there was no trade. Yeah, there was. All right. So 830. Here's the news. Right at 830 would have gotten targets. Sell, goes to a loss. Sell again, targets hit. Sell again, goes to a loss. Sell again, same signal, winner. So this definitely would have chopped you up a little bit. You'd be down a little bit on this. I think what I'll do next week. Well, I didn't turn YM on. What I'll do next week is I will run the bots on an Apex account, and I'll show you guys how to get just using strictly the bot. I mean, as if my order flow trades aren't enough, but I have the trade copier. I have not used it recently. I do have a trade copier. Guys, we're going to get a bounce, I would assume, ahead of the open. Bonds sold off nicely. Guys, I have 1 minute to my Chris, if you're in the room, yes. Chris, are you in the room? Chris G. Yes, of course. Yes, you can always, yes. Crude took a long, got first target only. It's up 430. My gold bot is off, but it would have taken a long and gotten actually 2 targets. Big move. And look where, let me show you gold, guys. And I wasn't here for the short. Gold retraced exactly to 45.8 to the bottom of this bear flag trend line and fell $3. You can short gold. You can short gold. Use a stop above, 46. So use micros, but you can sell gold. Doopy-doo-doo. Anybody have any questions, guys? We still have 11 minutes. It's going to be a volatile open. I would not be surprised to see freezing or lagging. Volume is heavy. That will most often occur in the NASDAQ, which could affect your NASDAQ bots. All right, guys. I'm going to be at just about a minute here, fellas. Crude's pushing lower. Crude's going to have to break below 48. We get that target pretty quickly. It's into some support here, but we could push down to 33. Yeah, we may get that first target. It's got to break 48. $930, but I would be very leery of NASDAQ at 930. Ben. "13 seconds, guys." All right. We're off. We're off. Got buyers here. Have buyers. Getting a bounce off yesterday's low. 1 minute. 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 Thank you, B. It's actually a little slower opening than I would have thought. Pushing resistance here. I'll short 553. I'll short 553. We may not even get there. And I'll add into that at 563 if it goes up there. May not get 53. YM went long on the bot. Hit target and didn't fill it. We're not going to get 53. YM got target 1. It's break even plus 1 and out. Mester speaking. All right, I'm short 53. And I'll add in at 63. If you guys sold minis, you more than have target. You got 10 handles if you're using the ATM. That's a boom chakalaka, boom, boom, boom. Take some risk off, guys. All right, I closed it. Gave a nice trade, but we're still fighting that same area. 63 is the next area. 62. Nope. No trades on the NASDAQ yet. As I speak. Not a good place to be long. Mester says we can accelerate the pace of hikes if conditions warrant that. Got target. I'm at break even, guys. I'm not using the trail at this point. This is another short. I'll sell 64. There's a short here at 37. $37 short. There it is. Come on. It's not longs, guys. They're buying them, but SPYs and SPX pushing lower. I'm not watching Qs, but everything is pushing lower. There's your 37. If you sold 37, you got 5 handles. This should keep coming. Come on. I think that's because Mester's speaking. If you sold 37, you have target 1 on the ATM, hit and filled. Target 1 on the ATM, hit and filled. If anybody else funds an account, let me know. There you go, guys. 16 handle runner. 17. Here comes the low of the day, and it's going to hit the skids. Low of the day, and it hits the skids. Here it comes. If you're short, boom. That was the end of the up move. It's the end of the innocence. Nice job, William. Guys, as a reminder, invoices have been sent. Some of you guys have invoices that I sent them last night, are not paid as of yet. Please get those paid. I'm going to try a long. I'll take some off at 17, 18. Okay, got some off. I'll take another one off here at 29.30. Now, if we can pull above this, I'll take one off at 39, final target. So call it 37. 37 last. Got it. I'm up 355 trading micros. Anybody take the trade, guys? A lot easier to trade micros in this volatility. It'll keep you in the trade. You were still short. Why? Yeah, but we went 30. We shorted 37 down to 96. It's 41 handles. My NQ bot didn't get a trade. I didn't get a trade. No long. Nice job. Nice job. Oh, Unirenko. Yeah, that is the NQ Unirenko. Okay, we're going up skis. All right, guys. Looks like I can probably draw some levels here on the short side. I can adjust them if I have to. Bear with me a second, guys. My opinion is the lows are in. Ben, your trend is on, right? Ben? That's why. That's why you got the trade. Turn that trend on, brother. Turn that trend on. Yeah, turn it on. Yeah, trend should be on for all of them. Absolutely. Because what's happening is if you turn if the trend is off, what's happening is you're essentially using a simple moving average crossover for your trades. No bueno. Fortunately, it was a big winner. So today we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 6 traders funded. 6, 7, 8 with 12 accounts total, and another $600,000 in funding today. $600,000 in funding. ES bot up 900. NASDAQ bot up 925. Gold bot up 950 or 980. Down 800 on crude on that failed short. And YM is down 240. Good morning, Robert. Very good morning to you. All right, ES just took a short, but I don't dig this short at all. May get target 1, but I don't like this short. Well, I guess it doesn't matter what I like. Target 1 hit and filled. All right, NASDAQ support right here. I'm going to take a long. I took a long again. NASDAQ has support here. Target 1 only. NASDAQ bot long. Target filled. 3 micros up another $80. Out. Once we get out of this range, I'll take the break even off and put it back on the trail. Back up to 350. We could pull back to 58. Come on. Lower high here. We're sandwiched in between support basically at 64 and resistance at 88. Joe, I'm already in the trade. I will add in at 97. Another long on the NASDAQ. This just keeps taking trades in the same small area, up $1,200, but we're not getting any runners, guys. We're getting nothing. Here we go above that trend line. We're going to struggle again at 8. We're going to struggle again at 88. We just pinged it. We just pinged 88. Got to break above 88. You guys can take some risk off here at 88 if you want. If we break above 88, we start pushing into that sell zone. Okay, there's that 87. Here we go, guys. I'll add in 3 more at 98. Minute 20 to the next 5-minute bar. ES shorted again. Don't like the shorts here at all, guys. I don't like shorts. All right. I closed out the trade. I closed out my long. Come on, give me target 1. Came 2 ticks to target 1. It's pushing support here. That's why we're stuck. Oh, got target 1. Target 1 is hit. Hit target 2 to the tick and did not get target, or didn't fill, but it hit it to the tick. Holding opening range support here. Both targets hit on the ES. Hang on, guys. You leaving?
Yeah.
All right, honey, I love you.
I love you too.
Bye, sweetheart. Oh, hit the wrong mute. Sorry, guys. Meant to mute the room and I froze the room. All right. 10 o'clock is in. Let me get this out of here. This ES is up 1,400 today. Yeah, that's all right. We're still not shorts. I'm not looking for shorts yet, guys. I am not looking for shorts. Seriously, you're going to lag? There we go. Say loading a freaking 5-minute chart. NASDAQ got another target on the short and out. You know, guys, I'm just drawing my lines. Another NASDAQ short. Okay. ECB's Lang is speaking. Okay. I'm going to take a long again. Right here at 68 long. I'm watching 68 for the long. Just give me 1 second. I have to adjust charts, so give me a minute. Nothing changed there. Nothing's changed there. Okay. All right, NASDAQ's just chopping around now, guys. 68 is the long. $68 long. We're chopping now. SPX has a lot of support in here, all the way down to 91. Guys, can you hear me? Sound check. Sound check. Sound. Okay. Thank you, fellas. Okay, I'm long 68. Target number 1 is 85. I'll take 3 off at 85. Three off at 85, or as you see fit. What the hell did I get? 83. You dog. Come on. Push. Be a man. Come on. Lift that weight. Lift that weight. Come on. If you guys want to take some risk off, feel free. Should be good. Come on. No, you're not going to you scumbag. Really, weakling. Killed it. Took profits. Not much. Didn't go. We get above that 97 and it's gone. Where do we have a positive delta, guys? So I'm going to buy 3 here. I bought 3 at 80, and I'm going to add in at 98. It's 10 o'clock. Opening range high, fellas, is 91.50. Still struggling at this 88. I would have had my 85 target. I don't know what kind of garbage this is, Mark, but if you're following me, you're making money, man. I'm trading micros. I'm up $400. Half-ass micros. Did I get the ad in? How do I have 6 on? I guess I did. No, I think I added in at 88, not 98, like a dingbat. We have a negative delta of 30 contracts, guys. This is going to eventually go long. Yeah, you dingbat. I think I put him in at 88 instead of 98. I wanted to add in at 98. I'll take 3 off for a couple of ticks. All right, there we go. Let's do this again. Let's do this again. We're fouling a pivot. Small sellers in here. Insignificant selling. Okay. Well, we got a bot trade on YM. We go. Target 1 fill. Trail is on. And away we go, fellas. Here comes the add in. Didn't get there yet, but it's close. Then my target is 660. I'll take some off at 614 if I get filled. 615. I mean, do we have the level or do we have the level, baby? Come on. So I'm going to try to get 613 for 3. Let's go. Working through some small resistance zone up to 04. We have 1,000 net buy, 900 and change net buyers now, guys. At the close of this candle, Deepak. SPYs are going to close. Come on, baby, push. SPYs are going to give you the trade in a minute, 47 seconds. So will SPX. Eh, you dog. Come on, push it up. Right back to entry. We got the 601. Come on. YM is pushing higher. Got a nice runner on YM. It's the only thing that's in a trade. Come on. Get above that 601 swing. Go get my target. Yes, I saw it. Got sellers coming in now. We've lost 500 buyers. Right at 600. You know, I hate when I don't get my targets. I really do. I really, really hate it. YM's going to pull back into the trailing stop, which is at target 1. I mean, I'll let you run the trade room and I'll get to execute all my trades. How's that? I'll add 6 at 65. Out on the YM. I haven't even been looking at gold. Yeah. All right, this is going to be a make or break entry, guys. Okay, filled me 65. Buyers need to come back in. Where's my average? 77. Come on. Get up to 80. There we go. I took 6 off at 79. Pay attention to what I'm doing here, guys. I'll take 3 more off at 77 or 78.50. Okay, I'm back down to a manageable 3 contract trade. Pay attention to what I'm doing, guys. Add-ins, etc. That's why we're screwing around with micros in this volatility, fellas. Got to get up through 81, 82, really 81 now. And then there it is. And then 88. Are you guys able to follow along with my add-ins, etc.? Fellas? Guys? Okay. If we get back up through 601, this Eduardo. Thank you, James. Just making sure, guys. Okay, guys. Find another room that'll trade in full view. Find another. Find somebody that'll trade on a dom. I don't give a shit if they trade sim. They won't do it. Telling you guys where I'm taking the trades. I'm telling you guys where I'm coming out. I'm telling you where I'm adding in, and I'm doing it in full view. What room is that? Joe? Awesome, Eduardo. Pushing this crappy little resistance here again at 88. Got to come up through 88. Back through this 92, which we're back to 92. I will outtrade every single room in existence. I do not know them. I will outtrade every single room in this business. I'm saying that in a recorded webinar that'll be on YouTube. Now, there may be some guys out there that can trade, but I can tell you that the vast majority of these clowns, especially the more high-profile names, I won't name anybody's name. It's just not what I do. They cannot trade. If they could, they would. Okay. So I'll take one off at that 13 area. Whoop, I got 3 at 13. I'll take one off at 13. I got 12 and a quarter. It's alive! Come on, man. Every got one out at 13. I'll take one out at got to get through here. This is big right here, guys. In SPX 4105. Look at I could have been long 09s with 11 SPY calls. Again, it's just so hard for me to get an options trade in. SPX hasn't closed above yet. Hasn't closed above yet. I guess that's the 9th. That was the open, so that's the high of the resistance, 15. 4105s. You bought deep in the money calls? Well, if you get that 5-minute close here above 14, yeah, see, we've talked about this, D. You've got to tell me what you're looking at when you're looking at it. You can't tell me after the fact up 20%. It does me no good, man. I've asked you that before. Because if I were to have taken the trade, I might buy 25s, right? I don't know any better. I don't know. I mean, until Gina's 100%, I would say another 2 weeks, she'll be good. And then we can do that. But it's still going to be, it's still the same. It's still the same. Nice job, Hubert. I mean, I've taught you what it is that I'm looking at so you understand the blueprint, right? And you're kind of my eyes. That's why I taught you how to, with the option trades, what we're looking for. So I need you. I'm relying on you to say, okay, here's where we're at. This is what I'm looking at. Not tell me after the fact up 20%. I can't get in that trade. I have no interest in being short NASDAQ at this point. 1,200 net buyers, no interest. I want to see a clean break of VWAP. And if we get a break of VWAP, I'll tell you where we're headed. 638. So my next target on ES or NASDAQ is going to be, I'd like to get one off at 24. And support, unfortunately, is back at 92. So I'm going to take risk off, I think. Yeah. All right, I closed. So, guys, listen. Trading 3, 4, and 5 micros. I did add in on one. I got to 12. 682.50. No losing trades. It allows us to hold them. I told you it would be a little more volatile. Well, Mark, for big hitters like yourself, you should trade minis. For a lot of guys in the room that are trading funded accounts in this volatility, they need to trade micros. I mean, honestly, I thought this would be far more volatile than it is. It's really not that volatile at all. But let me ask the all-important question. Is there anybody not making money today? Is there anybody that is not making money? I have not had a losing trade. I have not closed one trade out at a loss. Is there anybody not making money? At the end of the day, I don't care if you trade micros, minis, 1, 10, 100. Doesn't matter to me. As long as you guys are all green. Don, you're making money, man. They're paying you $74 an hour. I am not using an ATM. Nice job, JC. So you're Jack, why are you trading with an ATM on micros? I'm not using an ATM. So why are you using an ATM with micros? There's absolutely no point. SPX. All right, so what are we looking at? Yeah, we got to get above 15. 41.20s. Okay. Just be careful here. All right, Jack. Too funded today. Stop filled on what? What the hell took a trade? Oh, YM did. Yeah, YM. Out on the YM trade. Guys, we're going to go and we're going to get up to, I think we're going to see 55. Crude filled to short. Natural gas was minus 100 BCF. You know where you're long, guys. Candle close above. Another long is here, above 22. We've got some resistance. I've got some resistance through here. 22 is another long. You've got small support here at 14 if you want to try to. Here, what I'll do. No, never mind. All right, so I bought 3 here, 22. We've got to push through this resistance right here. Come on, big fella. Pump up the jam, baby. Pump up the jam. Come on. Hit them with them buyers, 1,700 net buyers on the day now. So target, no, this could go a long ways, guys. Target number 1 could be 658. So I'll take 2 at, let's call it 40. We're just fighting that little bit of resistance right there, fellas. Pullback support is 14 and 04. And we need to break above 27, 28. It's kind of the, there it is. Come on, you just broke above. Why? Oh, God dang it. For some reason, my YM bot was off. Did I miss trades? I think I got that. I didn't miss anything else. All right. I don't know why this thing was off. add in for me, guys, would be 3 at 15 and 3 more at 04. So 3 at 15. And then that would give me 6. And then 6 at 04. Right, so 3 at 15 and 6 at 04. I'll be right back. 1 minute. All right, I'm back. 1150. Okay. They're 980 for today. They're 980. 4120s, right? Oh, 4115s. You told me 4120s, dude. I had 4120s teed. Mester is speaking again. We have another Fed speaker. She's not ready to say if they need a bigger hike at the next meeting. She is a non-voter. Yeah, I had to step away. Nature called. I mean, you can see we're just consolidating around VWAP, guys. NASDAQ is trying to pull up, back up out of the bull flag. I like SPX to get to 4125, Deepak. 4125. All right, I got them for 1130. No add-ins on this. We're going to trade to 23. That's where we're going on SPX. That's your target. SPY was the trade. Look at this SPY trade. Had 09. I could have bought 12s, 11 or 12s. Zoom, zoom. Guys, I don't see any resistance here, but I'll take 2 off at this. Got 2 off at 40. You can cancel those add-ins. So we got our target. Now I want 58 for the final target. 58. So let's call it 57 for a final. You guys all good? Got some resistance here. We could get 76, but that'll probably be on the 11 o'clock candle. This hourly is pushing pretty good resistance right here. Should it set? We're going to hit 41.25. I'm going to show you. That's the 200 period moving average. We're going to get 23 and change. 200 period moving average, which is basically flat. See it? All right, I'm flat, guys, here. Let's see what happens. I'm flat. Okay, I've got an order in to sell them at 16. Need one more push. Crude got target 1 on the bot. I forgot that thing was even on. Wow, crude's getting blasted. What in the hell? Pullback support, fellas, is now 26. And then just below VWAP at 15. NASDAQ got target 1. Another out. Another target 1 only. Little dink. We're dinking and dunking. Like Vince Lombardi football here. 3 ticks and a cloud of dust. We should be almost there, Deepak. Just need to break this 20.82. Big winner today is ES. Guys, I'm just going to go get coffee. Anybody else fun today that I'm unaware of? Anybody else, guys? Okay. 10 funded accounts today. Nice job, Joe. Yeah, yeah, if you're not at 7 days yet. So trade micros, 1 micro in and out. So let's see what we got here. Hang on. We've got 10, 12, 17, 18, 20, 22, 24 accounts right now. 24 times, they're all 50 grand, I'm assuming, times 24. $1.2 million in funded accounts today. 1.2 million. In the last 3 weeks, we're almost to $10 million in funded accounts in 3 weeks. Seriously, tell me another room that's doing that. Nice job, Eduardo. You're very welcome, my friend. I couldn't be a hedge fund. I don't want nothing to do with trading anybody else's money. I'm not sure if they're doing it that way, Andrew. I don't know. Good day for the bots, guys. Really good day. ES is up 14, 12, 50 today. 1412.5. NASDAQ is up 925 on Dink and Dunk stuff. 980. Gold is up. Minus. Crude is down 300. And YM is down 395. Bots are up $2,622 gross cumulative. ES pushing our next level. So that's blue. This is red, right? Until we get through 4130. Okay. Come on, SPX. Give me that give me that money. We're hanging out at 14 and a half bucks on SPX. I'm inclined to bail. We're getting to the top of the hour. We could get a reversal. I'm out. I'm out, Deepak. I'll take 1450. It's 1,500 bucks. I think today we could get 132 on SPX. Where I should have bought them, and I didn't, was down here when I said, look at all this support. Look at all that stinking support. Should have bought them on that down move here at 10.05 instead of the up move. Yeah, there's Target probably. There's Target. 200 moving average. There's the big move up in the NASDAQ. My opinion is, Mark, that this is all retail traders chasing. It's my opinion. I could be dead wrong. Now, the smartest guys on the planet, look at Tesla. What a freaking joke. The smartest guys on the planet are bond traders. And bond yields are going. So either the bond market and the smartest guys on the planet have it all freaking wrong, and the average retail trader, some guy sitting in, some monk in Tibet. No, I don't think they're getting squeezed. I don't know if they're getting squeezed. I have no idea. I can't tell you what's happening. All I can tell you is what I see. Either another Tesla trade I missed. Either the bond market has it entirely wrong, SPX failed the 200 moving average. Get out. Either the bond market has it entirely wrong, which I don't believe they do. Fed members are telling you exactly what they're going to do. They're going to continue to raise, and the market keeps going up. And I think that's because retail traders are calling the Fed's bluff. That's what I think. I don't care if it, listen, I frankly care less if we go up or down. Doesn't matter to me. Yeah, but that's why you trade micros, Mark. I mean, look, let me just show you my levels. These are the levels that I have marked at this moment that has not made money today. Is there anybody that has not made money today? Everybody in this room. You're welcome. You're welcome, Rich. Yeah, but you'll have to move them, Mark, then every. So, for instance, you'll have to move them every 60 minutes. So, unless you understand how they're getting drawn, I'm going to show the bot results again. Yes. Man, I don't touch natural gas anymore. I do not touch natural gas. You're welcome, Rich. Let me look at gas just for the hell of it. Natural gas has been an abomination. I mean, unless you're just straight short for 3 months. I mean, look at this daily chart on natural gas. This thing doesn't even show remotely. I mean, this thing has been a straight puke crap dump since September 22nd at call it $8. $8. Straight nothing. Back on November 23rd, it came back into the 200-day moving average and failed again. Failed again here. I mean, this thing can't get a bounce. Yeah. I mean, natural gas used to be easy as hell to trade, and now it's just become pain in the neck. Here's NASDAQ. We failed the pivots. We're sitting on the trend line. So we blew back into the bull flag. I mean, they just want to let this thing die yet. They got to get every retail trader on the planet long before the ultimate coup de grace. And they will. All right, fellas, it's 10:58. We've got a minute and 40 seconds left. So I'm going to do bot trades now. ES up 14.1250. I do not believe we had any losing trades on ES today. That's yesterday. No, that's today. I don't have that trade at 8:30, and I don't have that trade at 8:34. So both winners on shorts. I have neither of those. I have no idea. I mean, but ES bot up 14.1250. Crude bot finished down $300. Crackaroni up 925. YM bot down 395. And gold up 990. But I have to be honest with you. I forgot to turn this thing back on. So it wasn't on for this trade ahead of the news. I don't have this trade either ahead of the news. I don't have this winning trade at the news. So there's 3 trades I don't have. I have this short. And then at 9 o'clock when I shut my bots off, I thought I turned them all on. I apparently did not. So gold should have added another 720, 1,500, another 1,800 bucks on gold. This could have been up $3,000 today on gold. I know I turned it on. Be that as it may. Somebody trading the same settings as I am on gold. Can you give me your gold total? I mean, mine count, yours don't. I just want to know where gold did end. Somebody give me a bot total on gold, please. Yours is up 1780. Okay. Thank you, Martin. And you missed a trade, which is probably another $1,000. Fellas, exceptional day. Trial members. Today will be the last day that I send you anything, related to the room, follow-up emails. So I will send a follow-up email today with complete candor. If you are unconvinced that you should be in this room by now, I got nothing for you tomorrow. I have nothing for you. If you guys that are here on trial have any interest in joining us, if you've made up your mind or made a decision, send me an email, tell me what you'd like to do. I cannot yodel. I will not make an ass of myself. I'll leave that for Ace Trades. In any event, another phenomenal trade order flow wise. I did not have a losing trade today. Everybody should have made money. Phenomenal trade on bots. Bots are up over 6,500 for the week. I will see everybody tomorrow at 8 a.m.